undergone in the last 4 years. Nirav, can they ask for all of those things?
Yeah, so they can definitely ask for that, and the court will grant what is reasonable at that point of time, or what the court feels is reasonable.
All right, very quickly before we wrap up the show, Rajiv is on the phone line from London. Rajiv has a question for us. Go ahead, Rajiv.
Okay, thanks for taking me. Dear, my query is that I have booked a flat in a builder in Haryana.
Okay.
Builder name is Triveni Infrastructure Development Company Limited.
Okay.
So this is a kind of you can say a fraudulent builder who has never completed anything in his life. So
Right.
despite that, Haryana government gave him a license for say almost 5,000 flats, which would mean approximately 500 crores kind of collection from public. So now this builder has taken entire money, everything siphoned off, and the company has gone in liquidation. So what my question to experts, if I can get any advice, is that when Haryana government has one act which is HDR Act, and
Yes.
in that there is Section 8,
Yes, Rajiv.
which states that if a builder is not able to complete the project or does any mischief, then Haryana government, the DTCP department, will cancel the license and take over the project.
Right.
So recently in Gurgaon, the deputy commissioner has ordered this department to take over one of the builders' project. But in our case, the government is not doing anything at all. So, for example, what we are saying as impacted customers is that
Right,
what is the
Rajiv,
benefit
you'll have to
of
tell me your question.
Real Estate Act?
Yeah.
Okay. My question is that what can we do if government is not implementing
All right.
the existing
So
act?
government in this case, Sushil Kaushik, very quickly, you'll have to answer this question before I wrap up the show. The government in this case has the ability to take over the project, but has not done so. What is the reason for that? What can the buyer do now?
Bank is generally, yes, government has that particular power, but without the proper facts, I won't be able to answer it properly. But it seems that there is some banks also involved in that, and this land is particularly mortgaged with that bank. So once there's a huge bank mortgage, and the in case of a liquidation, then banks have to approach to the liquidator courts. There must be a liquidation proceedings that is pending in the High Court. So that particular factual situation has to be understood before we could sort out this thing.
The solution that in law is available to Rajiv is, if the government doesn't act on which it needs to perform, file a writ petition asking the court to direct the government to do what it's supposed to do in law.
All right. So there are plenty of solutions available to home buyers who feel like they're helpless. You're not helpless. There are lots of options available for you within the law. There are options available for you here. If you get in touch with this channel, we'll help you out. We'll speak to the local authorities. We'll speak to the state governments. We'll take this up to the Urban Development Ministry if we have to, but we'll find you a solution. We've run out of time on this show. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining in. The home buyers, we're here for you. I'm going to put our contact details on your screen so you can get in touch with us. You can reach me. My contact details are on the screen as well, my Twitter account and my email ID. Feel free to get in touch. Join the fight for your rights. Stay with Magic Bricks now.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.